Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at the gold miner EA for MT5, and right from the MQL5 Marketplace page, this EA is positioned as a grid-based trading system designed around identifying areas where large buyers and sellers are concentrated in the market. So this is an MT5 expert advisor, and at the time of recording, the price is listed at 30 US dollars with version 3.0 currently available. The developer mentions that the EA works well on volatile symbols including gold or XAU USD. All right. Then we also have GBP USD, USD CAD, Euro USD, USD JPY, USD CHF, AUD USD, NZD USD, amongst others. Right. So as I scroll through the page here, the overall concept behind the EA is based on detecting zones of price congestion where short-term trends can potentially develop. The developer also clearly states that this is a grid EA, but one interesting part is the overlapping function for unprofitable positions, which is intended to help the system manage drawdowns and recover trades more efficiently during difficult market conditions. All right, so the marketplace page also recommends using low spread ECN brokers. All right, and there is a mention that the EA can be combined with external buy and sell signals for more semi-automatic usage, depending on how someone wants to manage trade direction. Now, looking through the settings section, there are quite a lot of adjustable parameters here. You've got options related to time frame, selection, entry distance, grid spacing, lot multiplication, maximum orders, hedging controls, trading stop functionality, break-even management, equity protection, and trading session timing. Now, one thing I like seeing here is the flexibility around risk control. Right? For example, users can define maximum lot sizes, equity stop loss levels, and even choose to close all positions on Friday. There is also an equity take profit and equity stop loss. This can automatically close all trades once a defined account target is reached. Now, moving into the historical backtesting side now, this is where you really want to evaluate how the EA behaved across different market conditions over time rather than focusing only on short-term results. So we are going to be testing the gold miner EA on gold. All right, we're going to be testing the EA on gold. So let's head over to the strategy tester right now and let's select the gold miner EA. All right, and let's change this to XAU USD. Okay, we are going to be testing from the beginning of this year till date. All right, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing, and then for the delays we are just going to use the last ping to the server. Okay, and we are going to start the test right now. All right, so that we can see how the EA performed over about 4.5 months, just a little below 4.5 months. All right, so when reviewing the historical chart activity, you can typically see how the EA builds positions gradually through its grid structure while attempting to manage recovery during price movement against existing trades. Now, since this is just chart history, what we can see is entry points and exit points, right? For example, you can see here this position was entered here and exited here, right? We can see that this was entered here and exited here, and you can see that this was also entered here and exited around here, right? And we can see all those multiple trades entered around the same zone, exited around the same zone, right? So this is a scalping EA. Obviously, we are on the 15 minutes time frame, so we can see how multiple trades we are being executed around the same, you know, region, around the same zone. We can see that here again. All right. You can also notice how the EA appears designed to operate more actively during volatile conditions, which aligns with the developers' recommendation for symbols like gold and major forex pairs. Okay, because this system uses adjustable order spacing and lot multiplier settings, the overall behavior can vary significantly depending on how aggressively the configuration is optimized. So if you are testing this EA yourself, I would recommend running longer term historical testing across multiple market environments so that you can get a broader understanding of how the system handles ranging conditions, trends, volatility spikes, and drawdown periods. Okay. And if your testing was done using simplified modeling methods like open prices only, it is definitely worth performing additional tick data testing yourself for more detailed historical analysis. Now let's just quickly look at the results from this back testing, and we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, there was a total net profit of 4,129 US dollars. Okay, and then we can also see that 253 total trades we are taking. Short trades we are 253. Wow, that is 100% of the trades taken we are actually short trades, with a 71.15% win rate. Okay, now looking at the largest profit, it's 372.07, and the largest loss is 223.38. But then the average profit is $35.67, while the average loss is about $31.4. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is just close to 1:1. All right, and the EA, from what we can observe from the history, it targets short-term price movements. All right. So overall, gold miner EA for MT5 comes across as a feature-rich grid system with a strong focus on flexibility and trade management customization. But as always with grid-based systems, results can vary heavily depending on broker conditions, spreads, slippage, risk configuration, lot sizing, and overall market behavior. So before considering any live deployment, make sure you spend enough time testing, optimizing settings carefully, and evaluating the historical performance under conditions that match your own trading approach. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.